Have you ever noticed that your display looks too large or small compared to your monitor size? Today, we'll dive deep into how to fix this issue on Windows 11 and ensure your screen is perfectly calibrated. In Windows 11, you can adjust the display scale settings to make elements easier to use and read. This feature is essential for ensuring that your screen content looks clear and fits well within the monitor's physical dimensions. To change these settings, right-click on any open space on your desktop, then select Display Settings. Under Display, you'll find the Scale and Resolution options. The recommended scale setting is usually set at 100%, which means your screen elements are displayed in their original size. Adjusting this can be crucial if you're experiencing issues with text or images appearing too small or large. For instance, setting the scale to a higher percentage like 125% or 125% can make text and icons larger and easier to see for users with visual impairments. However, if you adjust the scale too high, it may cause elements like windows or applications to be cut off at the edges of your screen. This is where understanding the balance between clarity and fit becomes crucial. In summary, adjusting the display scale in Windows 11 can significantly improve usability by ensuring that text and images are clear and appropriately sized for your monitor. Try experimenting with different settings to find what works best for you. What setting did you end up using? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Windows experience.